Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. We're going to shoot a cannonball at 56 meters per second upwards here. We're on planet Venus. The gravity on Venus is 8.87 meters per second squared. Find out the height above ground level of the cannonball after 9 seconds. So when you shoot the cannonball, it will come to a stop and then it will free fall downwards. Okay. So try to jump to your velocity time graph, and then find out the time at which the 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 cannonball comes to a stop here. So find out this time, and once you've got this time, find out the area here. That will give you the maximum height, and then after that, it's just free fall. But the thing is, you do need to find out how long it free falls for, because I'm asking you after 9 seconds. So what was the time it took to get to maximum height, and then you've got to find out that gap, this time gap in between, and then use the h equals gt squared over 2. This is a free fall. So here once you've got the time, this time here, then you can work out the height. Okay, well, do whatever you want. Find out the height of the cannonball above ground level after 9 seconds. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so sketch your velocity time graph here. The velocity time graph should look something like this. Okay, this bit here would be 56. So this is 56, and the gradient here. Well, you want to find out the equation for this line here. So it's a straight line. So you know it's y equals mx plus c. Now m is the gradient of this line here, and the gradient is well, because we've taken positive to be up here, then gravity acting downwards would be negative. So the gradient here will be negative. So m here will be negative 8.87 x plus c. Well, c is 56 here. Okay, so c plus c, which is 56. So y here. Now tidy up the equation. So we will have v velocity equals 56 minus 8.87 t. Okay. Now, well, when you shoot a cannonball up, at the maximum height, the velocity here will be 0. So what will be the time when the velocity is 0? Well, put 0 into this v here, and then work out t. Okay. So 0 equals 56 minus 8.87 t. Now add both sides. Add this thing here to both sides. Okay, so this will be 8.87 t equals 56. So the time at maximum height will be 56 over 8.87. Okay, so that will be, jump to a calculator, 56 divided by 8.87 equals 6.3, and it will be in seconds. Okay, so this is the time at maximum height. Okay, so 6.3 seconds here. Okay, now because I want to know the height of the cannonball after 9 seconds. So it takes 6.3 seconds to get to the maximum height. After that, it will free fall. Okay, but how long does it free fall for? So it's really, you need to know this gap here. Well, if 9 seconds is here and 6.3 seconds is here, then the gap here must be 2.7 seconds. Okay, so it will free, after reaching its maximum height, it will free fall for 2.7 seconds. Now, if something free falls for 2.7 seconds, then then you can use this formula. H equals gt squared over 2. G is 8.87, and then you times it by the time. Well, the free fall time is this time here. It's actually this time here. Okay. 2.7. Hang on. 2.7 squared. Then divide it all by 2. So that will be. Now remember, h is our distance, our distance of the free fall. So now calculator, clear this, move it over here. 2.7 squared. Where's my squared? I'm just going to times it by 2.7 again. Equals this, and then times 8.87 equals this, and then divided by 2 equals this. 32.3. 32.3. So free fall. When it's free falling, well, for 2.7 seconds, it will cover a distance of 32.3 meters. 32.3 meters. Okay. Now we also need to know the maximum height. We've got the time it takes to get to maximum height. So we need the distance to maximum height is this area here. So it's just right there. So we can say max height equals this height here, which is 56, and then we've got to times it by this distance across here, which is 6.3. Yeah, because it takes 6.3. Well, this distance here is 6.3. So times 6.3, and then we've got to divide it by 2. Okay, so now jump to a calculator. Maximum height will be, hang on, clear this. It will be 56 times 6.3 equals this, and then we've got to divide it by 2. Divided by 2 equals this. So the distance will be 176. What was it? 4. Okay, so on the way up here, it will be 176.4 meters. Now, and then the free fall distance is 32.3. Okay, so it's a matter of getting this add this. Okay, so calculator, get 176.4, add what was that? 32.3. 32.3 equals. So, oh, sorry, not add, take away. Sorry. Remember, because we want to find out this distance here, the height here. Okay, so what you do, you get the maximum height here, and then you take away the free fall distance. So that will give you this height here. So I apologize. So let's carry on. So 176.4 minus 32.3. That will give us a maximum height. It's not maximum height. The actual height at 9 seconds. So 144.1. So 144.1 is the height after 9 seconds. Okay, so after 9 seconds, this height is 144.1. Okay.